Hello and welcome to one and all listening and watching me from the comfort of their homes. Hope to find you all in the pink of your health. I am Adya Jain of class 10th, and today along with my fellow talented hosts from the all three branches of LFGS, Kavya Sharma, Ananya Bansal, Anand Singhal, Anya Singh and Pia Bajaj, welcome you all to this informative talk show of ABCD of Mathematics on the very occasion of 187th birth anniversary of famous mathematician John Venn, known for his Venn diagram. And we will be playing one game too and answering some questions. So make sure you listen to it very carefully. Over to you.
This is Anya Singh, student of class 5, and on behalf of the school management, teachers, and fellow students, I welcome all the viewers to this dynamic session. Having said that, I would like to thank the school management and teachers for this wonderful opportunity to host this unique, at the same time, informative talk show, ABC of Mathematics. Having said that, let's begin with today's talk show. We all will travel through the world of math throughout this session. If you ask, for me, math is mistakes allow thinking to happen. Mathematics is always about finding patterns and at the same time developing beautiful and logical explanations. Math is part of our day-to-day life. It makes our lives simpler. Math is everywhere. Let's have a look at how mathematics is leveraged across a wide range of fields in the organization of society and government, plus in everyday activities through this ABC of mathematics. I'm sure most of us must be wondering that all this while we have learned ABCD in the English language, then how can we relate and translate it to math? All these questions will shortly be answered as we move on with the talk show. So viewers, are you ready? Give me a thumbs up. Wow, so much excitement. My colleagues will be taking us to 6 important fields where we use mathematics in our day-to-day life. These are house, school, hospital, market, travel, and banking. With that, let me call upon Kavya, who will begin the ABC of mathematics. So, over to you, Kavya.
House. As we all know that we go to school for learning. For learning maths, we do not need to wait for maths period only because maths is everywhere in school. As we enter the building, we see room numbers mentioned on each room, which is good enough to learn Roman numerals. We stay in school from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. in 6 hours in total. Those 6 hours are divided into a fixed numbers of periods, which teaches us the calculation of time, marking attendance according to a roll number, standing in a queue, according to our height in a playground, measuring dimensions of a playground, etc. are enough examples to show the presence of maths everywhere in school.
Great, Kavya. You just made us explore our school mathematically. Moving on towards the next field. So, over to you, Kavya.
Our most loved place on this earth and a perfect place to learn maths. You must be wondering how. Let me tell you. While sitting in your room, you can learn about shapes like circular, rectangular, square by just observing the pennings and the wall clocks. How can we forget the kitchen? Surprisingly, mathematics plays an important role in culinary art. When Mama cooks or bakes something, the ingredients need to be measured in grams, milligrams, or kilograms. She uses measuring cups and adjusts the temperature from the Celsius to Fahrenheit. A pair of scissors is a perfect tool to learn angles.
Definitely, Kavya. I totally agree with you. Now, I would like to call our Caesar source of inspiration, Mrs. Neeta Dua ma'am, our respected principal of Little Flower Senior Secondary School, to share a few pearls of wisdom with us. Welcome, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you. Good morning, dear students. First of all, I congratulate to Milan's team, Meenakshi ma'am, Munmun ma'am, Rohit sir, and all management members. Today is a very wonderful day for all of us, and we have to conduct hundreds of webinars and workshops for the students time to time and throughout these 2 years during pandemic time. But today is a very remarkable day. Today's webinar is going to conduct by our school students, class 6 to 8. It's very amazing. And yet topic is
Ma'am, please unmute. Ma'am, please unmute.
ये रोहित सर स्टार्ट दोबारा करें.
No, it's fine, ma'am. You can continue.
Good morning, dear students. First of all, I congratulate to Milan's team and for thinking out of the box and implementing unique initiatives for the betterment of the school students. And today is a very wonderful day for all of us and school management at LFPS. And already you know your parents, we have conducted hundreds of webinars and workshops for students and teachers throughout these 2 years during pandemic time. But today is a very wonderful day, remarkable day, because today's webinar is going to be conducted by the students. Your topic is quite very interesting, ABC of mathematics. Students doesn't believe the math is a very magical subject, so also tough for the students. But I also know many students are afraid of the maths. बेक्षा हम देखती आती हूँ मैं कि क्लासेस में जो मैथ्स का रिजल्ट है वो इतना बेस्ट ना होने के कारण और काफी प्रॉब्लम्स बच्चे फेस करते हैं. तो मैथ्स में हमें कैसे प्रूव करना है ये आज बच्चे हमें बताएंगे. सो आई वुड एडवाइज ऑल ऑफ यू टू ऐड पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग and subtract fear from your mind. And tell me one thing, can you learn cycling without falling ever, even a single time? एक बार भी के 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार हम गिरते हैं साइकिल से जब हम चलना सीखते हैं. तो इट इज ए प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग, सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड. प्लीज डरना नहीं है आपने मैथ से. मोस्ट बच्चे जो क्लास में मैथ्स के लिए ट्यूशन भी रखते हैं और एडवाइस भी लेते हैं, तो मैथ्स को एक रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस सब्जेक्ट्स है. So remember that the only way to learn maths is to do maths. कि हमें मैथ्स करना है, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस देनी है, रेगुलर 2 and 3 hours हमें टाइम अपना देना है. Today I appreciate the student of class 5th, Ananya Singh, Kavya Sharma, Anand Singhal, Ananya Bansal for preparing the presentations. Or सबसे credit goes to the mathematics teacher Nishu ma'am and Parul ma'am. So I hope this session initiated by Milan's team will be definitely fruitful for all of you. आपके लिए बहुत ही एक सारे स्टूडेंट्स हुए 5th to 8 के. प्लीज आप साइलेंटली 759 पार्टिसिपेंट्स ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं इसमें. तो ऑल द बेस्ट सब बच्चों को, और डेफिनेटली वर्कशॉप काफी हमारे लिए अच्छा रहेगा. और प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान से आपने सुनना है इसको कि प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे आपको क्या बता रहे हैं, और आपने इसको आपने भी नेक्स्ट टाइम आपका भी नंबर आएगा और आपको भी इसमें देखना है कि आपने क्या. मेनली फर्स्ट मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, आई वुड लाइक टू अप्रिशिएट द all Milan's team for thinking for this type of the webinar. My blessings are always with the students, parents and staff. Thank you please. और सबका मैं एक बार दोबारा अभिनंदन करना चाहूंगी अपने टीचर और स्टूडेंट्स का कि एक अच्छे से अपना जो स्टडी मैटर है उसको थ्रू आउट द ईयर रखें पैंडेमिक में. और डेफिनेटली स्कूल खुलेंगे, आप आएंगे और अच्छे ढंग से फिजिकली हमारी स्टडी होगी। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging words. You have always been our path guider. It feels very delightful to have you. I hope you all are enjoying the session. So now to check how much you know about mathematics, here's a simple questions on your screen. Choose the option you feel correct. Very good response. I am acquiring from this poll. So now to know how maths is related to English in every means, we are presenting to you that how maths is related to alphabets, how maths is related to English letters.
Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevent chores. John Wynne was a theologian, logician, and a cricketer. He invented Venn diagram, which is used in mathematics also. Our students use Venn diagram to find the LCM and the HCF. Mathematics is used everywhere, in our kitchen, in our houses, everywhere. You know, he is the man who knew infinity. Now, we will discuss the uses of mathematics in English alphabets, in AI rules, logics, trains, all are mathematics topics. In billing counters, transactions are made, which is nothing but mathematics. In coding also, mathematics is used. Even in this part, designing the tiles, border designs, everywhere we use mathematics. Also, in engineering, where buildings and malls are built, we use what? Mathematics. Now, the fashion world has measurements, collections, etc. Also, that is also known as what? You all know na? Mathematics. Our most favorite gaming world has a scoreboard, number of players, etc. is a complete mathematics. There is also mathematics in hydraulic lift. Interiors also has designing work. Calculation part is also mathematics. Again, now jewelry part, its rate, quantity is also mathematics.
So parents, have you seen how we can relate math to every field around us? It really is an important part of our life. Moving on towards the next field, so over to you, Ananya.
Have you ever visited a hospital? Yes, yesterday I had a severe pain in my stomach, so I had a visit to doctor. He examined me and checked my body temperature with a thermometer. It was 100 degrees Fahrenheit. He also asked me for a blood test. He took my blood sample and sent it to the laboratory. He asked my age and prescribed some medicines. So, we can see, even in a hospital, maths is used in medical equipment, labs, and medications.
It's really surprising, Ananya. We have never thought so deeply about a lovable subject. Wait, it's not over yours. Come, let's see what's next. Moving on towards the next field. So, over to you, Ananya.
Hi, do you know it's my birthday today and my papa took the ship from mall. Such a great experience it was to shop there. He purchased a beautiful gown for me worth rupees 2000 and my favorite chocolates for rupees 500. We also bought some decorative material for rupees 440. Now my father asked me to pay the bill on the billing counter. For that, I use all the basic operations of maths like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to pay the bill. Wow, great day and great learning. Thanks, mathematics.
Happy birthday, Ananya, and thank you. I've never realized, even in my dreams, that a birthday celebration can also teach us mathematics. How true! Moving on, so over to you, Piyadi.
Okay. After having so much of interactive talks, let's move on to the next segment of our show. That's an exciting game. Through this game, we will be revising operation of whole numbers by magic tricks. You all like magic now? Tell me on chat box. I'm waiting for your answers. Tell me fast. Oh, I have received so many answers. So you all like magic. Now we want to start our game. But before starting, I want to ask a question from all of you. Reply me on chat box. So the question is on your screen. Tell the answers fast. Tell me the answer of this question. What is the process which is being hidden? What is that thing which is always perfect but still unknown? Those who knows the answer, just raise your hands. Okay, Yash Talwar. Please unmute yourself. Okay, tell me the answer, Yash Talwar.
It is maths.
Yes, you're right. The correct answer is maths. Are you all ready? So let's begin. This time, I will tell you the number of brothers and sisters you have, including yourself. One of you, please unmute yourself. Ask the Kaushik, please unmute yourself. Ask the Kaushik. Shreya Agrawal, please unmute yourself.
Yes. Yes.
Hi, I really don't know that how many brothers and sisters you have. But through this magic, I will tell you. So are you ready for this game?
Yes, of course.
Okay. For that, take a number of brother you have, including yourself, if you are a male. If no brother or you are not a male, then take 0. For example, I'm not having any brother and I'm also not a male. So I will take what? 0. Now I need to double the number. In doubling the number, I have to take 0 because I'm having no brothers. So 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Just like you have to do the same.
Okay.
Now add 5 to it. Just you have seen my result. I got 0. So I will add 5 to it. But I will get
5.
yes. Now multiply with 5.
Okay.
5 multiplied by 5. The result will
25.
yes. Instantly add the number of sisters you have, including yourself. If you are a female. If no girl child, then take 0. You have seen that I am having 2 sisters, including me. So I will take what? 3. So after adding 3, I will get 28. You all have got a 2-digit number, right?
Yes.
And here, I display something for you. See, I have got 28. And 28 will include what? 3 sisters, including you. So my answer is right. If you all have checked the answers and your answers are right, then show me a thumbs
It's
up.
absolutely correct.
Okay. And others, please show me your thumbs up.
It's absolutely.
Okay, well, it's not the end. It's just the starting numbers which people often get. I think it's time for a test. One more question on your screens. Choose the correct option from this. This is a poll question. Is the question is visible to all of you?
After getting this much zestful talks we have, it's time to call Bhavna ma'am, our academic coordinator of LFIS. She is with us right now. Ma'am, I would like you to edify us with your thoughts.
Good morning, everyone. So I want to congratulate Milan's team for conducting such type of a webinar. It's unique. It's something which we don't usually see, because what we see, children dread maths, right? So I want everybody not to fear maths, but you see everywhere the maths. Wherever you go, when you see, you go in the kitchen, you have maths, you have numbers, you have shapes. When you go somewhere else, there are numbers, shapes. When you go in traveling, you go to by car, so there is kilometers, there are how much average it is giving. So everywhere, so everything surrounds around maths. So I want everybody not to dread maths. Instead, you should find out more things interesting about it. Like we have this webinar, right? Children, I can see they've put in a lot of effort in finding out things, how it can be made interesting. So it's a very nice attempt of the children, and I want to appreciate the children who have done this and the teachers who have made this prepare it. So it's a great initiative that you are at least removing that fear, and everybody, every children, every parent, children who are listening here, I want to say this, that never fear any subject, because when you are when you try and make interesting things out of it, anything can be possible. So never dread maths. Instead, what you should do, you should find out more interesting ways how you can understand. You can discuss with your friends, because maths is at every step. When you go, maths will be everywhere. Construction, be it automobiles, be it fashion designing, cooking, baking, anywhere you go, you will have calculations. Even at home, you see, when you go and buy certain things, kitna paise diye, how much did you get, everything revolves around maths. So never dread maths. Instead, I would say just find out different ways how you can make things interesting and opt for maths. So next time onwards, I want to promise from you guys that whenever somebody says I don't like maths, just shy them away and say no. You have to understand maths and you have to like maths, right? Because that is the way. So you once you will delve into it more, so you will get to know that there are so many interesting things into it. So I want to promise from everyone, see, nobody will hate maths, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? It's okay. I think everybody's on mute. So I would just, this is just one request to all. Don't fret maths, take maths and find out more interesting things about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Such a heartfelt message by you. Thank you. So now it's time to learn more about how maths is everywhere. Over to you, Anant.
Now, birthday celebration is over. Let's get back to work. So tell me, which mode of transport does your father use to travel to his workplace? Yes, my father goes to office daily by metro. It takes around 200 steps or about 500 meters to reach the nearest metro station. Then he buys a ticket for ₹50, reaches office, which is 5 kilometers away. And do you know wheel is the greatest invention for traveling? And wheel is round in shape. That tells us about geometrical shapes. In a nutshell, we can say that mathematics help us in figuring out the distance, time, for traveling.
Viewers, did you see we have just learned math during our travel too? Maths is fun. Anant will now be taking us to a very important field of our day-to-day life, that is weighing. So, over to you, Anant.
Okay, after spending too much, let's talk about saving money. So tell me, which mode of transport? So tell me, where do you deposit your saved money? Yes, to bank. And when you deposit any amount, it automatically gets added into your savings. And when you withdraw it, it automatically gets subtracted from your savings. Right? So tell me, how do you make payments? By online shopping. Yes. Sometimes we choose credit cards and sometimes we choose COD. That means cash on delivery. So everyone likes to shop during the end of the season sale. So again, because we get heavy discount on everything. Again, math helps us to identify the new amount after the discount. So yesterday I ordered a toy car for ₹575 and then I applied a coupon on it and I got discount of 24%. Then my car is a 437 only. What a great deal! Math has made our life so easy. It would not be wrong if I say 1, 2, 3, 4. Math is what we adore.
Definitely, Anand. Definitely, rightly said. Now, I courteously invite Miss Vimmi Jain, Head Mistress of LFIS, Yamuna Bihar, to guide us and show us the right path to all of us. Welcome, ma'am.
Respected principal ma'am, management members, teachers, whole Melange team, and all my dear friends, dear students. A very good morning to all of you. I am really feeling privileged to be a part of this informative webinar, ABC of Mathematics, which is organized by this Melange team, in which our little Florians, under the guidance of their teachers and Melange team, are doing a wonderful job. Although I am a maths teacher and maths was my favorite subject since my childhood, still I could never have imagined this ABC of maths at that age. But these little Florians have explained the importance of maths in every sphere of life so well and so confidently. Maths, as you know, make our life disciplined, orderly. It's a tonic of brain which activates. It is a tonic of brain which activates our power of reasoning, critical thinking, problem solving, logical reasoning, creativity, and much more. As we have seen just now, and all of you have told us that it helps in keeping record of finance, marketing, cooking, medicine, architecture, music, designing, and artificial intelligence, coding, etc., where all the concepts of maths are used. So we can say that maths teaches us that every problem has a solution, and we should learn it more and more. And I must say that today, through this webinar, students must learn to widen their horizon and enhance their knowledge of maths and its understanding. And my advice to you all is to remove your phobia of maths, and which most of the students have, and enjoy doing it and use it in day-to-day life. Then only you will master this subject and succeed in every sphere of life. And I would end by saying a quote of famous mathematician Shakuntala Devi, that without maths, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is maths. Everything around you is numbers. Thank you, and hope all of you keep enjoying it. Thank you so much. Thank you, the whole Melange team and dear students. Thanks a lot.
Thanks to you, Vimmi ma'am, for taking out your precious time and guiding us. I feel highly obliged right now. But now it's time for one more question. Parents and students, are you all ready? The question will be on your screen. I hope all of you are enjoying it. And I think answering the questions just not only tell you how capable you are, it also tells others that how capable you are. So answering questions, I don't think there should be any fear of it. So as we saw how the letters A to J are interrelated to English, let's move on with the next 10 letters for K to T.
We
Adya,
find
are you announcing
mathematics
the correct answers?
Sir, the poll result will be shown to everyone. The correct answer.
everywhere in the kitchen, from measuring cups to the ratio of water to food. Even in laundry, we count number of clothes, quantity of surf, etc. Now see the field of medicines. We have number of doses and quantity of medicines, which is nothing but only mathematics. Now very interesting part, numerology is completely based on numbers. Operating system has lots of calculation which is also mathematics. Pediatrician is a doctor of children where mathematics is all around them. Mathematics is everywhere, right? Even in quizzes, we have logics and calculations. Now see, robotics is also a complete mathematics. Use of geometrical shapes and scoreboard in sports is also mathematics. Traffic signals and traveling both field tells us about geometrical shapes, which is an important part of mathematics.
Maps is what we adore. Anand, do you ever shop for groceries? Can you please share your experience with us where you have used maps?
Yes, asked me to go to the vegetable market quickly. I got very active. The vegetable market was full of fresh vegetables. We shopped at one vegetable store. Then my father asked for tomatoes. Then the seller replied, 25 rupees per kg. Then my father asked for 2 kilograms of tomatoes and asked me to calculate all the amount of tomatoes. I quickly doubled the amount for the rupees 50. And then my father asked for lady fingers. The seller demanded for rupees 20. I requested my father to buy some lemons because I love to drink lemonade. Then seller said 15 for 5. Then my father asked me to calculate the amount of each lemon. I quickly divided 15 by 5. In the result of rupees 3, it means rupees 3 for each lemon. Then my father gave me a 100 rupee note and asked me to calculate the amount. I quickly added the following numbers in the result of rupees 85. And then I give that 100 rupee note to the seller and the seller gave me 15 rupees back. My father patted on my back to do all the calculations so perfectly.
So viewers, have you seen how we travel to 6 important fields and learn maps?
Now, last but not the least, we will learn how the last 6 letters U to Z have maths in them.
Patterns and designing in umbrella are all the topics of mathematics. Vaccine has number of doses, like COVID vaccine has 2 doses, and its quantity measurements are all mathematics. In waterfall, temperature of water, storage in measuring tanks are all mathematics. Even you can see the X-ray, there are different dimensions, calculations, etc. are also mathematics. In yoga, you can see different postures that is based on different angles and shapes. So we can find mathematics here also. Finally, last 0, which is the hero of mathematics.
So viewers, how was the journey to the majestic world of math? Did you enjoy it? Are you excited? Which field are you planning to choose for you? Write me upon the chat. Dear parents, now it's time to discuss how you can use maths in natural fun ways with your child. Parents can give a head start to children at home by introducing simple math concepts like measuring and counting at a very young age and helping them in feeling the importance of these subjects. Here are a few tips which the parents can infer to develop the interest of their children in mathematics. Number 1. Create a positive attitude towards maths. Number 2. Reinforce math skills through math games like snakes and ladder, chess, Rubik's Cube, Sudoku, etc. Number 3. Construct something together using Legos and other building toys. Number 4. Weave maths into bedtime stories. Involve jotting tables, counting, simple calculations, etc. Number 5. Enlist your child in grocery planning and shopping. Number 6. Cooking together will help your child enhance his or her skills of measurement, counting, fundamental operations, etc. And number 7. Have fun with your child in creating patterns involving mathematical shapes and borders, Rangoli, etc. Now over to you, Adhyadi.
Lastly, one more question for our enthusiastic audience. Count the squares in the figure as much as you can. Now I will be sharing one file, and now you have to say the much squares you can share, the better the answer will be. Hurry up, you all have 30 seconds to answer this question. The answers will be on the polling scene. Maybe all of you have already answered. I know my audience is very intelligent. Moving on to the next segment of this webinar, I feel it is very inspiring to watch everyone learning about maths so quickly, as I can see the motto of this program getting fulfilled. As we all are aware that this zestful session was organized by the Melange team of our school after his invigorating response for 2 workshops of Kathak and art classes, I am very delightful to announce that under the badge of Melange, Little Flowers group of schools is coming up with new workshops which are Vedic maths and coding. These workshops will be conducted after keeping the needs of future in the mind. So I would like to call alumni Tripti Garg, who is also school topper of this batch, to illumine us about Vedic maths and coding too. I'm looking forward to receive an enthusiastic response from my audience. And a big thanks to our Rohit sir, who is MD of LFGS, to organize this explanatory session for all of us. I hope you all found the session inspiring. This is our time. Let's make a difference. Over to you, Tripti.
Thank you, Adya, for just a wonderful introduction of mine. Good afternoon to all the attendees present in the Zoom meeting. I would like all of you to listen me very carefully, because I'm going to tell you a very important Vedic maths trick which you will be enjoying. And I have chosen a Vedic maths trick that you don't need any a paper and pen. You can do it without a paper and pen. So first of all, I'm sharing one picture with you, and you have to tell me that which movie is it, okay? Please see and write in the chat section that which movie is it. Yes, I'm getting responses from many kids. Yes, Shreya Agarwal has said a lot of people are saying Shakuntala Devi. Yes, you all are right. You all are right. So अगर आपको इस मूवी के बारे में पता है तो I suppose that आपने मूवी जरूर देखी होगी. अब आपने इस मूवी में देखा होगा कि जो शकुंतला देवी मैम है वो कैसे वैदिक मैथ्स का यूज करके बहुत अच्छे से फास्ट कैलकुलेशंस करती हैं. उनके पास रिकॉर्ड है कि उन्होंने 23 डिजिट नंबर को इनटू करा था 23 डिजिट नंबर से एंड विद इन 20 सेकेंड्स. सो आई थिंक लिटिल फ्लोरियंस को भी ये चीज सीखने की बहुत ज्यादा उत्सुकता होगी. दे आर वेरी मच एक्साइटेड टू लर्न दिस. सो I am editorial manager at alumni of 2021 batch and editorial manager of Melange. So I will be teaching you Vedic maths from the coming Sunday, and you will be getting all the information regarding this course of Vedic maths and coding also in detail within your circular. So I just want to share a glimpse कि आप क्या सीखने वाले हैं. तो मैं चाहूंगी कि सभी टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल मैम, रोहित सर, सभी टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज पे अटेंशन. I'm just teaching you one trick of Vedic maths. So basically, Veda means knowledge and maths means mathematics. So you will be gaining knowledge of mathematics. Maths is not boring. Just we have to learn it in a fun way. Okay. So I'm writing one question and you will be telling me that in how many seconds or in how many minutes you can solve this. In how many minutes or in how many seconds? Imani Verma has wrote 5 minutes, Shreya Rai 1 minute, Pihu Pandey 1 minute. Many people are writing 5 minutes. Yes. 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay. So I guess कि आप सभी लोगों को इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पेन और पेपर की नीड होगी, राइट? अब मैं आपको एक ऐसी ट्रिक सिखाने वाली हूँ कि आप इसे विद इन 5 सेकेंड सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आप लोग 3 मिनट्स लिख रहे हैं, 1 मिनट लिख रहे हैं, 5 मिनट लिख रहे हैं, बट यू नो यू कैन सॉल्व दिस इन 5 सेकेंड्स ओनली. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, आपको सबसे पहले ये जो फर्स्ट 9 है इसको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो व्हाट इज 9 टाइम्स 8? It is 72. So I am writing 72 like this. Okay. Now, how many 9s are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means this 9 gets cancelled क्योंकि हमने इसको 8 से multiply कर दिया. Now we have 5 9s left. So I will be writing 5 9s as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is my answer.
Very good, Tipti.
Yes, you did. Thank you, ma'am. You did it in 5 seconds. 5 seconds orally. आपको इसको ना पेन लेने की जरूरत पड़ी ना पेपर लेने की जरूरत पड़ी.
आप शकुंतला देवी बन सकते हैं, कोशिश करो. गिनीज बुक में नाम आए आपका.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best.
Okay. So लिटिल फ्लोरियंस, आपने ये ट्रिक सीख ली. अब मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन देती हूँ.
कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने सॉल्व भी किया है इसको, ट्रिक को.
Yes, ma'am. Many students are sending me answers also in the chat box. Okay. Yes. अब मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन दूंगी. आप देखना कि आप सब लिख रहे थे, कोई किसी ने लिखा था 30 मिनट, 5 मिनट. आप सब इसको सॉल्व करके देखना. आप इसको बिना पेन और पेपर के. अब मैं आपको दूंगी a big question. Okay. आपको इसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है 7 से. आपके पास 10 9 है. 10 9. No, Shreya is asking it is only applicable with 6 digit, multiply with 1 digit. No, Shreya. आप चाहे 1009 ले लीजिए, आप चाहे 10,009 ले लीजिए. This is the same trick. Wow, our little Florians are really intelligent. They are sending me answers 6, 9 times 9 and 3. All the students did this question in 4 seconds. Ujjwal said, I did this question in 4 seconds. Prateek Sharma, 6 seconds. All little Florians are sending me very fast answer. The chat box is moving very fastly.
Very fast.
Very
No,
fast.
4 and 5 students also given the answer.
Yes. 3 seconds. Ishika Raj, you did it in 3 seconds. Very nice. So this is just a glimpse of Vedic maths. Okay, Vedic maths is very old. Vedic maths is 10,000 years old, and if you learn this, you don't need calculator. आप अपने मम्मा पापा से भी फास्ट करने लग जाएंगे कैलकुलेशंस, एंड बिलीव मी, जब आप वैदिक मैथ्स की वोकेशनल कोर्स ज्वाइन करेंगे जो कि एक्सक्लूसिवली लिटिल फ्लोरियंस के लिए है, तो यू आर गोना एंजॉय अ लॉट. And along with Vedic maths, our Milan's team has also introduced a coding course. Coding is a basic literacy in the digital age, and it is important for kids to understand coding because it creates creative abilities. And if you learn coding at a basic age, means you all are the students of 5 to 8 class, then you are gonna improve your confidence, maths, creativity, writing. So you will be getting a detailed circular of the vocational courses of Vedic maths and coding, and you can join these courses if you want to become like Shakuntala Devi, right? So a big round of applause for all the students and all the kids who have joined this webinar.
Thank you, Tripti, for sharing a wonderful method of maths, like Vedic maths, with all of us. As you all know, we are running some courses under the Melange. एंड आप जो भी कोर्सेज ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं आपको लर्निंग के लिए भी मिलेगा, और जो भी आप अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं दैट विल बी स्पेंड फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ सोसाइटी, लाइक फॉर द ऑर्फनेज एंड ओल्ड एज होम एंड डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज. जो भी फंड क्रिएट हो रहा है अभी, थैंक्स टू ऑल, अभी लास्ट 1 मंथ में हमने 11,000 रुपीज कलेक्ट किए हैं, and that will gonna be used for the old age home really soon, and we will invite all students to visit old age home as the situation will go better. Thank you, and hope you all will join the new course.
Dogra sir bhi hai, Rohit sir.
Yeah. And now I like to invite Dogra sir to give a vote of thanks and end this today's event. He's our vice principal and the great mathematician and the state awardee as well.
ये हमारे स्कूल के शकुंतला देवी हैं, बहुत जल्दी करते हैं सारी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व, और स्टूडेंट्स बहुत सारे 100 मार्क्स ले चुके हैं. सर आप ये जरूर बताइए कि बच्चे मैथ से हेट ना करें बिल्कुल.
जी, थैंक यू रोहित सर, थैंक यू प्रिंसिपल मैडम, एंड थैंक यू मीनाक्षी मैडम, तृप्ति मैडम, एंड ऑल आवर एंकर्स. मैथमेटिक्स इज नॉट ए बोरिंग सब्जेक्ट. मेरी आपसे सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मैथमेटिक्स को कभी भी आप बोरिंग सब्जेक्ट नहीं बोलेंगे. तो तृप्ति ने कि जो वैदिक मैथ हमारे पास है 10 to 15,000 एगो से हम लोग वैदिक मैथ्स यूज करते हैं. कंप्यूटर को अभी 100 इयर्स हुए शायद, लेकिन हम लोग इतने आगे थे कैलकुलेशन में. एंड आपको होना चाहिए मैथ्स में, और ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट है. हाँ, ये जरूर है कि मैथमेटिक्स में नॉट टीच अस to add love and subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. तो यदि आप मैथमेटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं और मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ते हैं तो पूरी लाइफ में एक मैसेज आपको जाएगा कि every problem has a solution. And there is the most important thing in mathematics, there are only 2 answers in mathematics, one is wrong and one is true. मैथमेटिक्स जब भी आप सॉल्व करेंगे आपके पास सिर्फ 2 आंसर होंगे, एक होगा ट्रू और एक होगा फॉल्स, बीच में कोई भी आंसर आपको नहीं मिलेगा. थर्ड थिंग, मैथमेटिक्स करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका, द ओनली वे टू लर्न मैथमेटिक्स इज टू डू मैथमेटिक्स. यदि आप मैथमेटिक्स करेंगे तो मैथमेटिक्स आपको आएगा. और अभी तृप्ति ने बताया कि आपको काफी सारी ट्रिक्स सिखाएंगी. तो मैथमेटिक्स में इतने सारे गेम्स हैं, जितने भी आप गेम्स खेलते हैं, जितने भी आप सराउंडिंग्स में देख रहे हैं, मैथमेटिक्स इज एवरीवेयर. सिर्फ आपको हल्का सा एक इंटरेस्ट लेना है, और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपकी है तो आप उसे नेग्लेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, आप आगे जाने से पहले उस प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जरूर करेंगे. यदि आप प्रोसीजर में चलेंगे तो मैथ्स कभी भी आपको प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट नहीं करेगा, बल्कि मैथ्स आपको सबसे अच्छे नंबर देगा। और मैं आपको सबको वेलकम करूंगा कि जब आगे की जो हमारी सेमिनार हो या वेबिनार हो, कुछ नया सिखाया जाए तो आप उसे ज्वाइन करेंगे। और अगेन थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट। दिस इज अ वंडरफुल सेमिनार। मैथमेटिक्स के ऊपर इस तरह का बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सेमिनार या वेबिनार हुआ आज, उसके लिए मैं सभी का धन्यवाद करता हूँ। प्रिंसिपल मैडम, रोहित सर, बड़ी मैडम, मैनेजमेंट के मेंबर्स, टीचर्स, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स, अन्य का, अनंत, अन्य बंसल और तृप्ति, आप सभी का थैंक यू वेरी मच।